Hi children, today session again started. Yesterday's session we are discussed writing numerals I told. Today place values and number names I will explain. Okay na? First one it will be place values. Place value. How to write the place values of the given number? I will explain. See once. See, for example he gave 2, 5, 7, 9, 6, 3, 2, 4 and again 8. Is there? Already till largest 9 digits I explained. Now I am taking here 9 digits. These 9 digits place values I will explain now. From always place values it will be right to left. Plus first place value ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. This is the place values according to this number. Right now. From right to left, first 8 is preference to 8, 1's place, 4 is 10's place, 2 is 100's place, 3 is 1000's place, 6 is 10,000, 9 is lakhs, 7 is 10 lakhs, 5 is crore, 2 is 10 crores. Okay now, here 1 meaning what? 1's place is a 8 into 1. 8 into 1. Next one it will be 10. 10 into 4 into 10. First number preference you have to give. Next we have to write place value. First number, next place value. Number is what? 4. Place value is 10. 4 into 10. Next one 2. 2 it will be is a number. Then face value we will say. Face value and place value. 2 is a face. Place value is 100. Okay, 2 is a face, 100 is a place value. Then 3 is a face, 1000 is a place value. 1000 is a place value. Next one 6 it will be face. 6 into how many? 10,000s. 10,000 is having how many zeros? 5 zeros. The next one is 9. 9 is which place? 9 is a face. It will be become lakhs period. Lakhs period. Lakhs is having 6 zeros, 5 zeros. Lakhs is having 5 zeros. Next one 7. 7 it will be become 7 into 7 is a place 10 lakhs. It will be 6 digits, 6 zeros. It will be become 6 zeros. Next is crores place. Crores place where face value is 5. It will be 7 zeros. The next 10 crores is having face value is 2. Then it will be 8 zeros. Okay, this is the place values of the given number. See here. Children, write the place values. How to write the place values I will explain. See ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. First 8 is a face value. Then ones is a place value. Then here tens is a 4 is a face value. Then 10 is a place value. Then again 2 is a face value. Then 100 is a place value. Then 3 into 1000, 6 into 10,000. Then 9 into place value is lakhs. Then 7 into 10 lakhs. Then 5 into crores and 2 into 10 crores. This is the place values of the given number. Okay. Now we learned numerical numbers and writing in number and numerical place values I told. Now how to write the number name I will explain. Okay, how to write the number names. See, Number names and expanded form also together I will explain. Number names and expanded form together I will explain. First one, number name. Number names, expanded form. Number name and expanded form we will write. See, example number 1, 973462832. Okay, this number he gave we can't read directly. We will give them place values and we will write number name and expanded form we will write. Okay, place values I am writing 1. In figure also I will explain directly. In figures also I will explain. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. See here, first place is 2, 3, 8, 2, 6, 4, 3, 7 and 9. Okay, first one what I told, number name. Number name. Number name. This is the which period? Crores period. This is the lakhs period. This is the thousands period. This is the ones period. Then first we will write crores period. The crores period is how much is there? 9797 crores. 97 crores. How many lakhs are there? 3, 4, 34 lakhs. 34 lakhs. Then again, thousands, how many are there? 62 thousands. 62 thousands. And ones period is how much? 800. 832. Okay, this is the number name. Next one, in figures I am writing. Figures meaning what? Figures nothing but we will write numerical form, numeration. Then 973462832. Meaning what? In between the numbers, according to the periods, according to the place values, we will keep the commas. First period is which one is 1, 2, 3. Ones period, first one. Count from right to left. 1, 2, 3 digits. Next thousands is 2 digits are there. Take it 2 digits. Lakhs also 2. Lakhs period 2 digits are there. Take it 2 digits. In Indian system, we will take in figures whenever we are writing in figures from right to left. First leave the first 3 digits. Next 2, 2. Okay. First take the 3 digits and every time 2 digits. Okay. Now next one is expanded form. Expanded form. First one, place values I told. Like that only take. First take the digit. Then after we have to multiply with the crores. 10 crores. 9 into 10 crores. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. Plus 7. 7 after 8 zeros. 7 after, 9 after, 8 zeros. 9 after 8 zeros, 7 after 6 zeros. 7 after 7 zeros. Sorry, 7 after 7 zeros. So 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus next one is 3. 3 after 6 zeros. 3 into 6 zeros. 6 zeros meaning what? That it will be become a 10 lakhs. Then it will be 4. 4 into 4 after 5. 5 4 is a which place? Lakhs. 5 zeros plus next one it will be 6. 6 is a 10,000 is a into 10,000 plus 2. 2 into thousands plus 8 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2. Okay, this is the expanded form. Okay children, this is the first in number name, in figures and expanded form I will explain. Next session we will discuss about international system. This is the Indian system, then international system, then difference between the Indian system and international system I will explain. Okay, thank you.